I'm Rukmini, your host for the day. I feel extremely excited and privileged to welcome you all to Indiewood Media Excellence Award 2017. Before we go ahead with the function, there is a safety briefing for you. There are 3 exits from this hall, 1 at the back and 2 on either side of the hall. There is no drills planned today, so if you hear an alarm, it's for real. Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri Chandrasekhar Rao, $1 billion US project to elevate India as a global hub of our film industry. To get a better understanding on what Project Indiewood and Indiewood Film Carnival is all about, let's have a small video presentation. Can we have the AVs?
Made at Kochi in November 2015 by the visionary Hollywood director Sohan Roy has now taken wings beyond imagination, being the largest movie-making nation with the highest theatre admissions. India rightfully hosts the largest integrated film festival and film market in the world under the cameras of with 8K and 4K Atmos screens, food court, child care center, annual ticketing system, and ample parking facility. These screens will be used round the clock for screening educational, religious, and sports content. Indiewood will also be promoting its vision to set up professional 4K and 2K Atmos home theatre and the need of the hour to get it revamped against piracy and unorganized distribution. Considering the advertisement sector as an integral.
Good afternoon. Whatever I want to convey is conveyed through this short video. It's an effort of more than 10 years of effort. Everything is compressed to a few minutes of video. I think we talked a lot. I know that even if I shout with my maximum voice, it won't go beyond these 4 walls. But today what I talk here, you people can take to 1.3 billion people. That is media power. In the world, it's a fact that no country can be ruled by anyone without media support. I don't know whether you media people understand your power, but we respect you. That's why Indiewood take initiative to the national network of Indiewood Media Network. We personally honored almost 500 people as you saw in the video. They all become our brand ambassadors. Today onwards, you are also joining our network. We need to do a lot. In 1947, when India got independence, $1 was equal to 1 rupee. Now you know the situation. 2013.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to be with you here. It's a great honor to me to announce this event opening, and we appreciate your attendance from different parts of the country, and I appreciate the people who give me this opportunity to attend with you and to announce the opening of this ceremony.
Telangana, whenever I go to Telangana and deal with the government and the bureaucrats over there, they're very forward thinking. They're very, they're looking at it, making Amravati also very, very, very powerful as an entertainment kind of a hub. That's what they've been communicating to me. And the kind of policies they put in place, the ABCGI policy is very, very forward thinking going ahead. Therefore, there's Karnataka, there's Andhra Pradesh, there's Telangana, and Maharashtra has lately got into the entire game. But Maharashtra still has to get its policies in place. You should be grateful that somebody is using your state's facility, even though he's not. He's a Malayali, but he sees potential in the state and the support he's getting. I think your guys, the media, should support.
India and Middle East. Welcome, sir. The first subcategory in this festival in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana issues and politics. Congratulations, ma'am. Kambali, Channel Head TNN News, 7 News, TV9, NTV, Z Group and V6 News. Congratulations, sir. We are Special Correspondent, Janam TV. Congratulations, sir. invite Muhammad Parvez, Chairman and Chief Editor, to kindly join us and accept the award. Congratulations, sir. Bharat Samachar is Indian language channel based in Uttar Pradesh and is widely known for local news. Congratulations, sir, and welcome to India. Our next subcategory is Popular Infotainment Channel, and the award goes to Janam TV. To receive the award, I invite P. Vishwaruban, MD, on stage, please.
Sir, smile please.
TV channel broadcasting from the United Arab Emirates. The channel was established in an effort to
Smile please. Once more. Wait for a second. Sir, can you turn the video? Okay. Smile please. Yes, sir.
to the entire team. Can we have a louder applause? Everybody, thank you very much for your support. Our hearty congratulations to the entire team.
एक मिनट राइम भाई
रहीम भाई एक मिनट
रहीम भाई को बुला लो अवार्ड लेके कईम भाई को बुला लो थोड़ा पीछे जाओ ले 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 अकड़ नहीं हां रेडी सर थोड़ा पीछे जाके ले लो लुके लुके
प्लीज होल्ड ऑन
स्माइल नहीं आया